going to show you some features. My car's a little bit dirty, but let me show you the HVAC and everything on this new 2021 Android radio for the TSX, or the 03 through 14, I believe, Accord. So let me get to it here. In the middle of doing the slave cylinder, the clutch master cylinder, and all that shit. But
they don't own you, gotta learn it. Ain't nobody gonna.
You can program these buttons to anything you want. Now, this is the bread and butter. Everyone's been asking me about the HVAC controls. So you see the radio's on. We can go to the home. So we're at the home screen, right? Now, this thing right here is your AC control. You can put it anywhere on the screen that makes it better for you. All right, so for example, you can turn it on if you hit this up. It goes up, go up further. You can see how responsive it is. Now, when you hit these buttons, they actually glow. So like if I hit this one, you can't see how it's glowing, just to indicate that it's on. Also, this button right here, you see how quick that's for the front, you know, that's the mode, but you could also use this button right here to switch the modes. See what I'm saying? Now the AC button turns on and off that AC. My car sounds terrible. There's something in the fan right now, I can hear it. The defrost lights up. You know, like I said, anytime you activate a button, front defrost, it lights up. Changes the mode here. Hit off. You can see how responsive it is. It's literally, as soon as you touch it, it goes. So say you're at the home screen. Now this joint you can move anywhere you want. Now if you tap this, it'll bring you up to that if you don't want to use these controls. A couple things I noticed. Let me go back here. So temperature. You see how it says low on both sides? All right, so also when you're going, like for example, I'm turning it up on the AC, right? The AC. Now you see the AC button. It's not lit up. Now it's lit up. You see how quick it is. Now it says low. This is the coldest setting. Now from here you can go higher. I have not found an option to turn this to Fahrenheit. So I really am not sure like where I'm at with the temperatures. I know when I turn it on the coldest, it gets damn cold. Also, I know the dual button, if the dual is not lit up, then whatever you put right here is the temperature of the whole car. If you hit the dual button and the dual's lit up, each side is separate. Whatever, you know, separate climate control setup. I used to have the old radio like this that did not have the HVAC buttons, and it was terrible because it would freeze up and then you couldn't access anything. So I kind of wanted to go over this by popular demand. Everyone asked. Also, a few other things. Also, the radio itself is a 300 watt radio. It's 75 watts per channel and it sounds amazing. It does have the DSP and everything built in. I highly recommend it. You could see how quick and everything this thing is. It comes preloaded, like I said, with the Acura logo on it. You can change it to whatever picture, whatever thing, anything you want. It has touch assistant, which is freaking amazing. You know, this is like this quick button right here, but you can make it do other things, basically, if you set this up. Just depending on how you want to set it up. But yeah, all the HVAC controls are absolutely amazing. I have no qualms, no issues. Everything works perfect. And look, you see how dual's lit up? This is lit up. You hit it, it turns off, and it turns off up there. Push it, it lights up, and it switches on there. It's super, super quick to act. See, you can't change the temperature until you turn up the fan speed. Now you can see the temperature is on point. This is the best radio I've ever got. Link down in the description, guys, if you're not familiar with this. Also, I'll put a link to my previous video, just basically going over the features. I didn't go over many benefits of this radio. I've noticed that over time with all my comments, and the HVAC system was the #1 most requested and asked about on this radio, just because the prior models didn't have it. I assure you, this radio is freaking phenomenal. This is the 6 gig version, but they do make them all the way down to the 2 gig model, which I don't recommend. I recommend, if you're going to do it, sometimes you can find the 3 gig model, but I'll put a link in the description, and the link in the description will have, you know, the minimal model that you need. I'll put 2 different models down there, so check them out. One's like under $500. But you got to think, this whole mounting kit comes with it. This whole HVAC control, this whole piece comes with it. So this whole thing comes out and this goes in its place. So it's a super awesome installation, super simple. Plug and play, literally you just plug the car directly into it. You plug your heating controls directly into it. Your steering wheel controls work freaking phenomenally. There's actually an app specifically for that. Also, I didn't show you guys the wireless link with my phone, but unfortunately I shoot video with my phone, so I'm unable to do both at the same time. I don't think I'm connected to the internet. Yeah, I'm not. But yeah, so there's the video on the HVAC controls on the brand new 2021 Android for the Acura TSX, CL7 to CL9, you know, all the models. So check it out, guys. Super awesome. Also, a lot of people ask me and are completely unsure, but if you have a Honda Accord and it's a 03 all the way up to like a 13 or 14, I believe, this will fit. Even though the Accord has more like a V thing with like a circle knob right here, this will fit in its place. Behind this, it's all the same guts. This is an Accord. A lot of people don't know, in Japan there's no such thing as Acura. Acura is a brand made for the Americans to differentiate the luxury models and the standard models of the Hondas. So here in the US they do have Acura, over there they don't. So there it's actually a Honda Accord. It's literally the same exact car, guys. So in case you didn't know, now you know. So yeah, if you have any other questions, want to see anything else, let me know. Put a comment down below. Please subscribe. Please hit a like button. If you got any value at all from this video, I would highly appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. That was a quick video of the HVAC controls on the new 2021 Acura TSX radio. By a lot of popular demand, a lot of people have asked me about this. So that's why I decided to make this quick video. It's not a long one, but if you got any value at all or got any value from this video, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I do greatly appreciate it. If you could please share this post, it would mean the world to me. I made this page just to let you guys know, not for profit, but to help other Acura TSX and Honda Accord owners. Quick story, I've customized and I've owned probably 6 of the TSXs, but multiple Accords, too many to count. It's always been hard for me to find good content and good tutorials on how to do-it-yourself mods and everything online. So that's why I created this channel, to try to help you guys. So if you want to see any videos, is there any mods that you want to see, let me know. Put the link down in the description. I'll be glad to go ahead and take requests for videos. Also, a lot of people are asking me about this up here. I used the fabric paint. You can see here, this is the color of the interior, but I used the fabric paint for this because I am making a video currently on the do-it-yourself Starlight headliner. So I would say check out the link, it's over here, but the video's not done yet. I will post it on my channel when it's done. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit post notifications, and you'll be notified when I do drop the video. It's not specific to Hondas or Acuras. You can do it for any make, any model. Just a great do-it-yourself mod for under $100. So check me out. Thanks for tuning in. I'll check you next time.